If you're a nursing mom struggling with dry skin, you might have heard about slugging, a skincare trend that locks in moisture and restores your skin barrier overnight. But not all products are safe for you and your baby. Today, I'm sharing the best nursing-friendly products for slugging, plus pro tips to keep your skin hydrated without causing breakouts. Stick around until the end, because I'll reveal the #1 mistake moms make when slugging. What is slugging? It's a skincare method where you apply a thick occlusive layer over your moisturizer to prevent moisture loss. It's great for dry, irritated, or postpartum hormonal skin, but not recommended for acne-prone or very oily skin. Now, let's talk about safe and effective products for nursing moms. The best nursing-safe slugging products include petroleum-free balms like Waxline and Babwa Botanicals, lanolin-based moisturizers such as Lancino and Earth Mama, and natural oils like squalane and rosehip oil. On the other hand, you should avoid retinol-based creams, heavy fragrances that can transfer to your baby, and harsh actives like AHAs and BHAs. How to slug your skin step by step. First, gently cleanse with a hydrating, fragrance-free cleanser. Next, apply a lightweight serum or moisturizer with hyaluronic acid or ceramides. Finally, apply a thin layer of your occlusive of choice. Some brands now use AI-powered skincare analysis to suggest personalized slugging routines. When and how often should you slug? The best time is at night before bed for deep hydration. Aim to do this 2 to 3 times a week to prevent clogged pores. In the morning, use a gentle cleanser to remove any excess product. Now, let's discuss the biggest mistake: overusing active ingredients. Layering retinol, acids, or harsh exfoliants before slugging can damage your skin barrier instead of healing it. Keep it simple. Use hydrating ingredients only before slugging. Always do a patch test before trying new skincare while nursing. Which nursing-safe slugging product will you try? Let me know in the comments. Want more skincare secrets? Like this video if you found these tips helpful, subscribe for weekly skincare and beauty tech content, and share this with a nursing mom who needs skincare tips. Thanks for watching. Check out these videos for more skincare science and wellness tips, and I'll see you next time on Health and Tech TV.